sunshine like this. Never seen a moon glow like this. Never seen a waterfalls like this. Never seen a light song like this. Never seen a love tank like this. Never had taste of lips to kiss. Never had someone to rest. I never heard a song quite like this. Help me sing it. I'm so glad. I'm so ecstatic, baby. Ooh. Never had a room service all night. Never took a trip first class flight. Never had a love affair so tight. I never felt the feeling so right. Never seen a winter so white. I never had a words to recite. Never had a flame to ignite. And I never sang a song with all my mind. To have you, girl. And I'm so mighty proud. Bless the day. So glad to have you. I'm so glad. Hey, so glad. Can you hear the silent shout? I'm calling out. Put your hands together now. Let me feel it. I'm so glad you're in my world. My girl, my world, my girl. I found you to have you, girl. So sad, baby. The sky is blue. Hey, hey, hold it down. I wanna say something to you, lady. I'm so glad. I'm so proud to have you in my world. I wanna let the whole wide world know why. To have you, girl. I wanna sing something small to the ladies now. That you're in my world. If y'all can hear me, that the sky is all I wanna say. All I wanna say is my, that you're in my world, baby. That the sky I'm so fortunate. I said I hear your body's calling me. Said your body's calling you, girl. I'm so glad that you're in so my world. So baby, baby. I'm fortunate to have you, girl. I'm so glad that you're in my world. The sky is proud. I'm so proud about it. I said I'm so proud about it. It's so good, Lottie. It's so good, Lottie. Hey, so glad, Lottie. It's so sad, Lottie. It's so chocolate, Lottie. You're so soft, Lottie. Lottie, Lottie, I want a party. Hey, yeah. Lottie, Lottie, I want a party. Lottie, it's my baby. Yeah. I'm fortunate to have you, girl. I'm so glad I got Lottie. Asses don't put me on Lottie. Fortunate to have you, girl. I'm so glad that you're in my world. Rest assured that the sky is blue. That I found you. Fortunate to have you, girl. I'm so glad that you're in my world. Just assured that the sky is blue.
No bullshit, Brady. Fortunate to find Lottie. My joint right here, Queen. We got to go.
You'll have to get that again in a minute, man. I ain't never heard. You say Noni. Jantu. Janto. Yeah. Wanda. Sample. And Lala. I know that's right. So happy birthday going out to sweet Lisa tonight, y'all. Happy birthday, Lisa. Thank you for coming to party with us, girl. And my man Bill back in the back. Got a birthday. I could have swore Bill's birthday was 2 weeks ago. Yeah. Baby, I'm lucky. First and Kennedy in here, thank you for coming through tonight.
Yes, yes.
What's up, Dusty? Waiting on the rest of the crew to come on up in here.
Yeah.
I don't know what the news doing outside. We ain't done nothing in here. We ain't doing nothing but partying in here. Yeah. What's up, Joy? Come on! Noni got a birthday. Happy birthday, Noni. Get warmed up, baby. Also want you to listen out for the Spy Club coming up real soon, baby. Going back to the Spy Club. Going back to tracks. Yeah. Come on. And we about to be at a brand new spot called the Trade Winds, y'all. Track's gonna be a May the 4th. That's May the 4th. Come on. I know you've been waiting on that, but I know you've been waiting on that. It's gonna be a Tuesday night. May the 4th, baby. I don't need it. It's your birthday too. Yeah, special happy birthday going out to Miss Jeannie over here. Thank you for coming through tonight. And we want to thank Miss Pam for coming through tonight too, y'all.
Where you at, Pocket? Play this tape back, Pocket. Your girl up here getting real buck on stage.
Yeah. Come on.
My man Nana said he out there in Langley Park getting buckets.
Yeah. Come on. April, we got a lot of lovely birthdays in here. Happy birthday, April. And you too, Bill. I think we warmed up there, Donnell. Come on, man.
How can I know if Marlo is wet? How can I know if she's playing hard to get? How can I know if I stand a chance? Can I have this dance, baby? Yeah. How can I know if Lisa is wet? How can I know if she's playing hard to get? How can I know if I stand a chance? Can I have this dance, baby? How can I know if Lottie is wet? How can I know if she's playing hard to get? How can I know if I stand a chance? Can I have this dance, baby?
Yeah.
How can I know if Sweet Pam is wet? How can I know if she's playing hard to get?
Yeah.
How can I know if I stand a chance? Can I have this dance, baby?
That's right. That's right. Where's Danny Go-Go, baby? Come on. Come on. Yeah. Also, we want to thank Miss Jennifer and Miss Dana. And where's Tracy at? My man Fast from the 4th W celebrating his birthday tonight too, ladies. Thank you for coming through partying with us.
That's what we talking about, Vic.
And we even got about Noni and sweet Lisa. Good Lord have mercy. Happy birthday, girl. Yeah. Come on. While we waiting on the rest of the crew to get in here, Kings of Million tomorrow afternoon, y'all. Kings of Million tomorrow afternoon. Come on. It's about to be party time at Kings of Million, baby. Come on. Also gonna be there with Naughty by Nature, Black Moon and the Licks. And weekend we gonna be taping Rap City down there, so come on down there. You might see yourself on BET next week, baby. Might see yourself on BET next week. Next week, Miss Jennifer. We want to thank Miss Shauna for coming to party with us. Always a pleasure. Hello, Tracy. What you hiding over there? We forgot about the out of control honey. And my man Fat celebrating his birthday too back there. Along with my man Bill right here somewhere. What's up, JR? Over W. Anthony got a birthday. For the T Street crew. Glad to see you, Cherie. You be that girl. Hey, Donnell, one more time for Miss Cherie right here. Come on.
How can I know if Tamika is wet? Yeah. How can I know if she's playing hard to get? How can I know if I stand a chance? Can I have this dance, baby? If Maddie is wet, how can I know if she's playing hard to get? How can I know if I stand a chance? Can I have this dance, baby?
What's up, homie?
How can I know if Marlo is wet?
Yeah.
How can I know if she's playing hard to get? And Marlo, how can I know if I stand a chance? Can I have this dance, baby?
One more time. Hey,
How can I know if sweet tie is wet?
How can I know?
How can I know if she's playing hard to get? How can I know if I stand a chance? Can I have this dance, baby? Hey, Musa.
hello, Miss Sia. And want to thank Miss Stacy for coming through party with us. Glad to see you tonight, ladies. Good to see you tonight, little mama. Want to thank Miss Tanya for coming through, y'all. Southwest up in here. want to thank Miss Lottie, Miss Pam, and Lisa, and Miss Margot for coming through party with us. Glad to see you tonight, ladies. Yes. Celebrate sweet Lisa's birthday tonight, y'all. Go on and celebrate, girl. We'll be there to celebrate with you in a minute. What's up, Melvin? Hey, man, Melvin up in the house tonight, too, baby. I want to thank the Eastgate crew, my man Musa, and all that crew for coming down tonight, y'all. Kings of Million tomorrow doing the day gonna be a Felicity's Ballroom tomorrow night. Come on. Felicity's Ballroom tomorrow night, y'all. 12 to 4 o'clock in the morning, baby. That's up there 6210 Shillow Place, Northwest DC, baby. Come on. We got everybody in here tonight, huh? That's all we. Yeah. Hey, hot dog, bring that bottle in by yourself, man. Come on. I see you, Marlo. One more time, hot dog.